Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be reviewing the POWEROWL. The POWEROWL, the folks at the POWEROWL sent this to me. Kind of neat, huh? Who doesn't like free stuff? This is really cool. So I guess you could say this video is sponsored, but not really sponsored in a way because, you know, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We will hear the magic words. Welcome back to everything that glitches. But I have confidence in this because it's lithium batteries opposed to the nickel. But I'm excited because I recharge batteries all the time. And that sign back there is always recharged. So we'll put this to the test and see if this, actually, sorry guy, this is a new moment for the POWEROWL. Is going to steal the camera for a bit. So this is the POWEROWL. Looks really nice, great packaging. It's sleek, not too big. If you ever order anything from Amazon, you know that sometimes they send you a big box that's 6 feet by 5, and or just have something small in it. But look, really nice. They really thought about the packaging. Sleek and black. They're lithium batteries opposed to the nickel batteries that you might have in there. Nickel NH, I believe they're called. But look, 3,000 mAh watts. I'm not sure what I have over there. Well, let me double check. And it's almost time to replace these anyway. So in case you're wondering about this sign, it's run off rechargeable batteries. Yeah, it's a pain because you know, I have to keep charging it all the time. And these are energizers, which are good. You know, I guess I like them. It does the job. But if this is better, I will definitely do the switch. And it's definitely better. As you can see, these are 2,000 milliwatts, right? So which means it just means that they're just going to charge faster, you know, and give more power. Let's see if you guys can see. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it says right there. Maybe I'll bring it in a little bit more. See, 2,000 mAh. And the higher the number, the better the charging experience. But in this case, it's 3,000. So we're off to a good start, which is kind of cool. So we're going to put these on the side and just over here for now. It's kind of neat that we got the laser engraving machine. We got this. We had the little pod thingy that they sent us, different companies. So you know that you're doing well on YouTube when people start sending you stuff, which is kind of cool. Let's see. So these are just the specs: rechargeable lithium batteries kit, and then 5 volts. If you saw our last video where we blew up the clock that we were building, make sure you have the correct voltage. If not, you will lose things. And I think you know, this doesn't come cheap. 2 amps, and you know the rest is oh look, complete type AA and AAA, which is good because I do have AAA. If you recall, we built this game, and the game is run off rechargeable batteries. So again, we're off to a good start. And I like rechargeables because even though they're a little bit expensive at first, you don't have to keep buying new batteries. Once you need new batteries, charge them again. So back to the specs, because I know some folks love the specs. Me, I just need it to work. I'm not a specs guy. Only for 1.5 rechargeable lithium batteries. Okay, that's fine. I do occasionally use 9 volts, but you haven't seen, if you've been following me, this light has not been on in the longest time because I just got tired of charging it. The LED light that I made, let me see if I can show you guys this one. See? It's run off 9 volts, but it doesn't last very long. It looks cool, but you know, I just got tired of charging it. So that's fine. You know, maybe one day, who knows, maybe they make better 9-volt batteries, right? You never know. We'll fix that later. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Things are moving. All right, so we have a charger, of course. You can connect this. The only thing I'm not crazy about is it's not just the folks at POWEROWL. It's just in general, whenever you order something that's USB C powered or USB powered, the cord is always short. A little bit of a bummer, but we have long cords here, so I'm pretty sure if you only have one, you haven't been in buying anything lately. But I have so many of these that I'm not going to lose. So this is it doesn't lose points because of this, because I have more of these than you can imagine. And as you can see, I got one here, I got one there, I got two here, and I got another more here. I'm not worried about that. All right, this is the least of my worries. If they didn't include it, that's fine. Now I got to figure out, where am I going to put this in the bag with the rest of the stuff. Okay, so knowing that and moving forward, let's see what we got here. We got the POWEROWL. Nice charger, really sleek. Has a lot of weight to it. Well, it's probably because the batteries are in here. Let's see. Oh no, it's still pretty power. Probably because it's charging lithium batteries, so the components inside. Oh, but wait, check this out. 8 batteries? Now that's unheard of. That's really nice. This is just phenomenal. 8 batteries. Usually you have to run out and buy more. And this is definitely going to do the trick for me. Well, we'll see. We have to put it to the test. A little book, a little, user guide. Make sure it's 5 volts for me. I know, well, then again, I can't say I know. Let's make sure we know, right? So I have this little tester thing. If you've been following me for the last year, I've been saying I'm going to make a video on this thing. It's coming. Nintendo's coming too. But anyway, but I will, definitely, because this could come in handy, especially when charging your drone stuff. All right, so basically this goes in here like that. And then we want to make sure it's 5 volts. See? Oh, it is. See, check it out. 5 volts. And then I wonder what this one is. Hold on. Let's see this one. Definitely more than 5 volts, because usually more than 5. It's a bummer that some of these chargers, right, won't activate unless you, and nothing's going to come through, so I'm not worried about that. It's not like the other devices. But for sure, let's test another one, right? Let's see how many volts are coming out of here. Hold on 1 second. Let's see. No, not even 5. I wonder what's coming out of here, though. You'll never know. I mean, you might know if you have a different, device. But as we know that 5 is going to come out of here. So we can't go wrong. See? 5 volts. Okay, and 1.6. Right. And then now we can plug it in. Right? Nice. Now we're going to put it to the test. Because one of the problems I have with this thing, I love it, right? This great little thing I always wanted. As you can see, is that it takes 1, 2, 3 batteries, right? And when this thing dies, I have to find another battery somewhere. So this will be the make or break for me. If I don't have to find another battery, if it can charge 3 batteries at a time. So we'll take it out. As you see, we got our green lights. Oh, wow. You can. That is pretty cool. Hold on. Wow. Sweet. I can charge 3 batteries. So now, moving forward, I can charge 3 batteries at a time without finding a spare. This is definitely a seller for me, and I'll show you why. Because I have, actually I should just charge them all anyway in case something else needs something. In order to charge these 2 batteries, I need to find 4. And even though Energizer is a fancy name brand, which is great, but that's it. It's just a name, because I'll show you. Let me grab my phone, and if I want to charge, so that you guys can see, and I'm just going to open up the camera. 1 second. It's going to push it to the other screen. All right, so there it is. So now I'm going to open up the camera right here, and then go into video. Video just brings a wider screen experience. I wonder if it can go that way. Nice. All right, so let's go check out the charger. Let's put it to the test. and see if they're the same or better. So I have the Duracell charger will still charge these batteries right here. That's why I keep it, because sometimes, as you know, but again, I don't believe this one can do 3 batteries at a time. You can do 2, and the light's supposed to go on, and then I should be able to do an extra one. Nope. You can see you can only do 2 batteries at a time. That's a bummer. And that's Duracell. Big name, but that's it. It's just a fancy name. And the POWEROWL is great. All right, let's check out the Energizer. Here we are. We have 1. There's 2. And here's 3. Whoops. Here's 3. Put it in. Make sure it's in. Yep. See? You need 4 batteries to complete the circuit. A little bit of a bummer, but it has a good name. But it's not going to do it for me, because I hate having to find a 4th battery. Actually, I'll charge these later. I hate having to find another battery. But looks like we have a winner. Look at that. Kind of neat. So we are going to replace the batteries inside of, let me just quit this so that you guys, yeah, we're definitely going to replace the batteries inside of here, and now we'll be on the air with the POWEROWL. This is great. And there'll be a link in the description, because they sent me a link for you guys that like this, and you want the lithium power, which is probably better. And as you can see, you can charge 1 battery at a time in any compartment, because maybe you just have 1 battery that needs to be charged. So that there's a what do they call it? An affiliate link where you get it for cheaper, and you get 8 batteries, which is great, because with the Energizer charger you get only 3, and if you buy the Duracell charger you don't get any batteries. But that was fine, because as you can see, I have a lot of rechargeables, so I needed that extra one. But this is definitely going to be in here. It's going to be in whatever else needs, and that's it. I like it. Definitely we are sold. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.